Hello, I'm Pat O'Hare, Chief Market Analyst for Briefing.com. Today is Wednesday, August 6th. After the close of trading Wednesday, a handful of retailers will report their same-store sales results for July. The vast majority of reports, though, will come before the start of trading Thursday. The same-store sales estimates we have seen from established sources range from an increase of 2.3% to 2.9%. That's a positive thought in that we're still talking growth. The negative consideration is that 3% is generally regarded as the line of demarcation that reflects a healthy consumer. The consumer, of course, is not in great shape. No one can deny that, as the impact of rising food and gas prices and falling home values has curtailed discretionary spending. Still, as we saw in the June numbers, and as we expect to see in the July numbers, reports of the death of the consumer have been greatly exaggerated. Critics will be quick to discount any signs of strength in July as being little more than the byproduct of the fiscal stimulus spending that is due to fade in coming months. So be it. The fact remains that the fiscal stimulus is having the intended effect of boosting spending. It is possible that sales may not be as strong in coming months, yet history has shown that it is a mistake to count out U.S. consumers, regardless of whether they are being supplemented by the government or not. In terms of the July numbers, there is little reason to expect any deviation from recent trends. The discounters should lead the way from a relative strength standpoint, as macro conditions have triggered a trade-down effect whereby more consumers are aiming to stretch their money further. The sale of consumable items, that is, non-discretionary items, at the discount and wholesale retailers like Walmart and Costco has provided a strong tying factor. Consumers are able to purchase what they need at these stores and also pick up items that they want in fewer trips as they aim to save on gas costs. The department store and apparel retailers, meanwhile, should post relatively weak results on a year-over-year basis since they primarily sell discretionary items. Promotional efforts, warmer weather, tax-free holidays in several states, though not in Florida this year, and the initial jump on back-to-school purchases all provided spending inducements in the July sales period. Whether those inducements translate to a positive surprise in terms of the overall same-store sales increase remains to be seen. If June was any indication, though, the prospect of a positive surprise should not be dismissed. I'm Pat O'Hare for Briefing.com. Thanks for listening.